Hey there, Titans. In this video, I'll show you how to run your Salesforce actions in the background. So we have a massive form here that has a page break with 32 pages, tons of conditions, tons of gets and pushes, etc. And if I'll head over to the page break setting here, to the advanced and the Salesforce trigger, Salesforce action section, so you can see that we have here about 15, 16 gets that we're running once the user lands on the second page in the form. So we talked about the execute get in parallel in a separate video. In this video, we will talk about the run in background. So let me first show you what this does. So I'm just going to head over to my form and refresh it and load up a patient here. And I'm going to hit next page. Now we can see the loading is basically disabling our screen. What if we want to load the information in the background without it disturbing the user from continuing to go to other pages and doing other actions? So what you can do is just enable the run in background, and what that will do is leave the form enabled while it's running in the background, while it's doing all your gets and whatever in the background, and it's seamless to the user. So we're just going to wait for the form to finish saving. And now it's saved, and I will refresh the form. And we'll load a patient. And there we go. And we're going to hit next page. And now the user can continue working on it. You can see the progress bar on the top, but the user can continue working on the form while the form loads. And this is how it's done.